Good morning, everybody. The BOTOX effect on real estate is interesting. With a combination of low interest rates, major fiscal deficits, and in sometimes even being penalized for money in the bank, it is hard for people to actually not ignore the real problems out there. And this is what we call the BOTOX effect, when it's just being smoothed over and almost, covering up something that is real. And in real estate, how can we mitigate this? Because we do need to mitigate this. With some governments flooding money into the system, people are beginning to feel they're wealthy when they're not, pseudo-rich, and not even looking for work. And this, of course, is causing bigger problems. So with all this money coming into the system and other problems, the inflationary environment is there. And so as people are paralyzed into not thinking clearly, they are making some very strange investments. And I believe this is where more money is flowing into Bitcoin, more money is flowing into NFTs, and more money is flowing into just really crazy investments. The need to earn money causes people to make bad decisions. Be very careful and do not let this world that is in a crazy place make you make silly investments. People do strange things when they feel paralyzed and numb and they don't understand what's happening. The rules of investing haven't changed. The world might have changed, but the rules haven't. I believe real estate is honestly the way where everybody can stay safe. Happy investing.